Here we have a clay bicycle, just a few simple steps. All you need is some earthen clay and a little bit of water. So you have a piece of clay like this. You're going to have paper or a piece of cardboard. And the first thing you're going to do is to beat out the air bubbles. So you're going to make a fist. You don't have to beat it very hard, just basically tap it. And you'll notice that it goes flatter and flatter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick it up, turn it around. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick it up, turn it around. And one more time until it's nice and flat, about the thickness of a pancake. Next, you're going to take a pencil and lightly, first very lightly, if you make a mistake, you can erase that line by rubbing your finger over it. So we're going to lightly draw a rectangle like this. And if you like your rectangle, press harder and cut it out. Next, please write your name. And turn it around like this. Okay, so you have a little rectangle and you have your name on it. You're going to take 2 pieces of clay and roll it like this. So you can have it in your hand or on your paper like this. And another piece of clay, roll it in your hand. We are making a little coil or a little worm. Okay, make sure they are the same size. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn them round so that they turn it round so that the edges connect, and you can gently rub your finger on it like this to blend the 2 edges together. And we have one wheel, and we're getting a second one. I'm making a few more worms. And with my worms, I am going to create spokes on the tires like this. I think just 2, because our sculptures are really small. To make them stick a little bit better, use a little bit of water and rub it on the clay to make it slippery. And when it's slippery, the water becomes a glue. Like this. Okay, so there are 2 tires. I'm going to add one of these over here and one on this side. And on this side, I'm going to squish this down like this to make a bicycle seat. And on this side, I'm going to add a piece of clay to make a handle. Okay, we're going to wet the rectangle a little bit and stick on the bicycle tires. I'm going to make this a little bit lower. Can pinch your handlebar so that it stands out a little bit. You don't want it to be too long, because if it's too long, then it becomes a little bit weak. And we stick it on in the front and the back. The front of the bicycle and the back. And now we're going to join them together like this. And if you want to, you can add a little piece at the bottom. I'm going to take a piece of clay like this, fold it like a letter V, and this is hard to see, so I'm going to bring it up and connect it at the top to make the sculpture a little bit stronger. And there we go, we have a clay bicycle.